Good morning, students. Here we start Chapter 1 of Civics, Democracy of Class 7th. Meaning of democracy. The word democracy is derived from the Greek word demokratia. Democracy, therefore, is a form of government in which people govern themselves either directly or through elected representatives. The meaning of democracy has changed with time. For instance, democracy in ancient Greece did not grant voting rights to women and slaves. The modern understanding of democracy started to take shape in late 18th century. In New Zealand became the first nation to grant equal voting rights to all its citizens as early as 1893. Things have changed rapidly since then. Most countries in the world today are democracies. They have granted equal voting rights to all their citizens. Power of peoples. We can define democracy as a form of government created by the people and run by the people through their elected representatives. In the words of Abraham Lincoln, democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. In a democracy, the real power lies in the hands of the people. Since the size of a country is vast and the population is large, direct democracy is not possible in modern times. So people elect their representatives through elections. The party who gets majority in the elections are asked to form or run the government. Therefore, a democratic government is answerable to the people for all their decisions and policies and deeds. If people are not satisfied with their government, they can remove it. In the next elections, people not only elect their government but also control it. Origin of democracy. In ancient times, also, democracy was much in practice, though only in a limited sense. For instance, in ancient Athens, all the free citizens except the slaves, women, and the aliens citizens living in Greece had the right to make decisions together. Thus, the limited democracy that is only for the free citizens was enforced there. Even in ancient Roman Republic, some elements of representatives democracy were in force. Some of the public posts were filled by elections. The Romans were the first to give the idea of republicanism to the world. Till the beginning of the 1900s, there was not a single democracy in the world where all the citizens enjoy the right to vote. However, the scenario has changed, and today every citizen in a democratic country enjoys this right. The modern concept of democracy started taking shape in the 18th century. Things have greatly changed since then, and in the modern world, most countries have democratic form of government. Different types of government. Representative democracy is the most popular form of democracy in which the people vote to elect their representatives to power. Today, different countries enjoy different types of government. Monarchy. This is the system of government in which all the power lies in the hands of the king or queens. The office of the king or queen is hereditary, that is passing down from one generation to the other. It is of two types, absolute and constitutional. Absolute, it is one in which the king or the queen has total control over the state. All the powers of the government are vested in him or her. Constitutional. In this difference between dictatorship and democracy, the power of the king or queen is specified by the constitution. theocratic state. It has an official religion. People belonging to that religion enjoy certain advantages over there. Secular state. A secular state is one where there is no official religion. People of different religion enjoy equal rights and are given the freedom to practice their own religion. Dictatorship. In this, all power of the government lie in the hands of one person or a party. Parliamentary form of government. In a parliamentary form of government, a council of ministers headed by the prime minister rules the states. They can remain in power as long as they enjoy majority in the legislature. In case of a no confidence motion passed by the parliament, the government has to resign. Thus, the relation between the legislature and the government is always smooth. Thank you.